Renovating a property in 2025 isn't just about making it look good. It's about making smart upgrades that increase value, attract quality tenants, and boost long-term profitability. The market is competitive, and tenants and buyers have higher expectations than ever. The wrong upgrades can drain your budget without adding real value, while the right ones can maximize rental income and resale potential. Knowing where to invest your money is the key to staying ahead. Start with the basics. A solid foundation, updated electrical, and a reliable HVAC system are more important than trendy finishes. No tenant or buyer will care about quartz countertops if the roof leaks. Address structural and mechanical issues first. These aren't the most exciting upgrades, but they're the most important for protecting your investment and preventing expensive problems down the road. If your property is older, consider updating insulation and windows to improve energy efficiency. Rising utility costs mean tenants are paying more attention to energy savings, and an efficient home is a marketable one. Kitchens and bathrooms remain the top areas where renovations pay off. But full remodels aren't always necessary. Small upgrades like modern cabinet hardware, LED lighting, and sleek, low-maintenance countertops can refresh a space without the cost of a total overhaul. Stainless steel appliances still attract attention, but in 2025, smart appliances with energy-saving features are becoming the new standard. Tenants and buyers look for properties that make life easier, and touchless faucets, smart thermostats, and keyless entry systems are becoming must-have features. Bathrooms should be bright, clean, and functional. Walk-in showers with frameless glass are a popular alternative to old-school tub and shower combos. Double vanities also add value, especially in properties aimed at families or multiple tenants. Flooring is another high-impact renovation. Carpet is becoming a thing of the past, especially in rental properties. Tenants want durable, easy-to-clean surfaces that hold up over time. Luxury vinyl plank is cost-effective, looks great, and resists wear and moisture better than traditional hardwood. It's a simple upgrade that can modernize an entire unit and reduce long-term maintenance costs. Neutral colors are still the safest bet, making spaces feel larger and more inviting. Curb appeal matters just as much as interior updates. The exterior is the first thing potential renters or buyers see, and a neglected look can turn them away before they even step inside. A fresh coat of paint, modern house numbers, and well-maintained landscaping make a difference. Low-maintenance yards with drought-resistant plants are gaining popularity, reducing water costs and upkeep. Outdoor lighting adds both security and aesthetic appeal, making a property feel safer and more inviting. If your property has an old or worn-out front door, replacing it is one of the highest ROI renovations you can make. A modern, solid-core door improves both security and curb appeal instantly. Storage is a selling point many landlords overlook. Whether it's adding closet organizers, extra shelving, or built-in storage solutions, tenants appreciate space-saving designs that help keep their home clutter-free. In smaller properties, smart storage solutions can make a big impact. Tenants want functional living spaces, and small investments in storage can make a unit more attractive without major construction costs. Multifunctional spaces are another growing trend. More people work from home, and renters are looking for flexible layouts that accommodate a home office. If your property has an awkward nook or underutilized space, consider converting it into a small workstation or study area. This small change can increase desirability, especially for tenants who work remotely. Energy efficiency and sustainability upgrades continue to be in demand. Low-flow toilets and water-saving fixtures reduce utility costs, appealing to both tenants and landlords. Solar panels are becoming more affordable, and in some markets they provide a significant boost in property value. Even simple additions like LED light fixtures, ceiling fans, and smart power strips contribute to energy savings. Many cities are pushing for greener housing options, and making these updates now can help future-proof your investment. Rental properties benefit from renovations that minimize maintenance and turnover costs. High-quality paint that resists stains and scuffs keeps walls looking fresh longer. Soft, close cabinets and drawers prevent damage from repeated use. Choosing materials and finishes that are durable and timeless saves money in the long run. Trends come and go, but clean, modern, and functional never goes out of style. One of the biggest mistakes landlords make is over-improving for the market. Before making any major renovations, look at comparable properties in your area. If no other rentals in your neighborhood have high-end features, adding them won't necessarily allow you to charge higher rent. Upgrades should match the expectations of the market and the tenant base. Focus on what increases value and minimizes future costs. If a property needs more than just a few upgrades and is becoming too much to manage, selling might be the better option. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we buy houses no matter their condition. If you're dealing with costly repairs, difficult tenants, or simply want to cash out, we can offer a fair price and a quick, hassle-free closing. Instead of sinking money into endless renovations, you can move on to your next investment or free up capital for other opportunities. Renovating for 2025's market requires a smart approach. Invest in upgrades that provide lasting value, not just temporary appeal. Focus on durability, efficiency, and functionality. Keep up with market trends, but don't over-improve beyond what renters or buyers are willing to pay for. The right renovations will increase your property's value, attract quality tenants, and reduce long-term maintenance costs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more real estate investing and property management insights. If you need help managing your rentals or are looking for a way to offload a property without the hassle, reach out to Alpine Property Management, Kansas City. Smart renovations lead to better investments. Let's make sure yours is built for long-term success.